Alright, just a quick progress video on my Russian learning. I have finally completed the Busuu Russian course, all the way from A1 to B2, if I can just get this to load real quick. As you can see, beginner A1, elementary A2, intermediate B1, and upper intermediate B2, I have completed them all. I don't think in any way that I am actually at B2 level, but I did complete the course all the way from A1 to B2. As you can see, there's a few little bits here that looks like it's not completed. I believe what happened here with it's raining one over here is that I completed it, but then it's been a while since I completed it, so the little check mark of the green tick disappears after a while, I think, if you haven't practiced that particular skill, and you have to retake the 10-minute lesson or whatever to get it back up to 100%. But I did have them all at 100% not long ago. Yeah, just a very, very quick progress update and sort of like a diary achievement of completing the Russian course on Busuu. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.